Good morning traders, and welcome to another live Forex video training update. In this morning's video we'll be looking at the British pound US dollar. I'm on the weekly time frame and I'll be taking a short trade at the market price of 130.67. Now the downtrend in prices in this one has started in May 2021, and you can quite clearly see the highs, the double top here based on the February and May highs, with the inability of prices to break those highs and the highs coming down the whole time, and momentum really starting to pick up to the downside. So in target we have down here at the lows at a level of around about 126. That is the major swing low from 3020. That is in target, but I'd first like to take the short at 130.76 with a target of 128.70 here, which is in the middle of that price action. And then as regards the stop, I'd like to put this at the base of the swing low here, which took place the beginning of 2022, end of 2021. And as soon as price starts to move down in the direction of our trade, then obviously this stop will be dragged down to protect any potential profits. So that is the trading idea for today. It's the British pound US dollar weekly time frame. I'm going in at the market price at 130.67 now, showing, looking for the target of 128.70 and the stop at 131.78. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for listening, and look forward to speaking to you on the next live Forex video training update.